So this is the newest pour they did. This wall right here. It looks pretty tall. You can see it from down below, but I'm sure that's just because there's no leaves on the vines. Seems like it's pretty hidden. Anyway, obviously there's no color or anything in it because I think the plan was to put a finish coat over this, right? But I would think that's the last of the big pours. But it went well. Couldn't bring the trucks up this way over there. Had to back them up. I turned them around down at the wide spot. Just as you come in the gate. I had to turn them around there, back them all the way up, all the way to the house. And then we pumped from over there over to here. And it went pretty well, actually. But anyway, it turned out good. All tied into our footing here. And I don't think it's going to remain that tall. I know those get cut down. Because the wall itself is right at 8 foot from here. Of course, this will be backfilled a little, so this will come up a little. And then down here, there's a doorway. And this rebar will get bent in. Hard to see because I can't get back very far, but anyway, this will be the door to the vault. Of course, this will all be concrete walls. These 3 walls and then a cover on top where all the pool equipment and everything will be in there. And then, yeah, so this is backfill probably up, I assumed up to almost to that, almost to right there. Try to get another look over here, but anyway, like I say, it went well. The wall looks good. No cavities. But a lot of concrete. So you can kind of see there, that height up there across. So it's going to be close to the top of the rebar there, but not completely. I'll try to get back here and get some looks from over here. So yeah, a little, not this wall, but that one over there is going to be a hair taller than the vines, it looks like. There's that doorway. And like I said, I think this is next. They're going to start forming this up. 3 walls. And then, of course, at the top. and then finish that wall off. I think it'll spill over, the pool spills over into that. But anyway, that part's done. Now that that big pour is done, hopefully start coming together here. With those major pours being done, we're gonna have some good weather here for another week anyway. Supposed to get maybe a little tiny bit of rain Thursday, but it's supposed to really warm up tomorrow and Tuesday. The wind, it got really windy here. Oh man, over 29th, 30th, like 3 days just really blew. I mean, it was really going. Took care of every leaf. Every grape leaf that was there is gone now, which is good. Oh, and then that's right, Tony called me. They want to come up and I think they want to prune. Might want to start that this week while we have the good weather, get it all pruned. So I don't know if you've talked to him yet. I assume we're not going to do anything fancy, just what we normally do, you know, on these vines anyway. They're not going to, well, as far as I know, they're not going to do the, I can't remember the name of it, the cane pruning, where they cut these down to, you know, cut these all down. I know he's not going to do that without having talked to you first. So anyway, so if you have some input on that, I'll probably talk to him tomorrow or Tuesday and get an exact date when they're going to start pruning. And if you need, you know, to talk to him before that, let me know so I can let him know. But anyway, it's ready to be pruned. Like I said, the leaves are gone. Anyway, I think everything's going good. And hopefully, like I said, this will start coming together now that they got this poured.